Hello, my name's Andrew Bain. I'm a professional jazz drummer and head of jazz here at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. So our BMUS Jazz course is for all instrumentalists and vocalists to study jazz at the highest level. And when you study here, we take care of you in terms of musical preparation, performance training, but also helping you be the artist you want to be. Alongside our core jazz staff, we have instrumental tutors that come from all over the UK and beyond to help you on your journey. So when you study with us, we're looking for a broad approach to jazz to help you become a portfolio jazz musician and study various other modules that can really help you, harmony and arranging, writing, journalism, things so when the phone rings you can say yes. So to study here at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama is a unique setting. Not only are we the National Conservatoire for Wales, but also we're a leading art centre. It's a destination for many musicians from around the world, and you as a student here will have direct access to those musicians. You'll have unparalleled access to a professional scene that will help kickstart your career and prepare you for a life in jazz. So here at the college, you start collaborating from day one in small bands in your year group and then in broader projects, and then moving towards assessment. So you will be assessed in your own small band that you band lead, and that will help you in external engagements. So here we're looking to create engaging performers and proactive band leaders.
The student experience here is great, especially on the jazz department because it's so small and everyone gets on so well, everyone plays together. There's no hierarchy within the years, so you get fourth years playing with first years. Everyone's equal. The jazz scene in Cardiff is really good. There's a few local jazz venues which is easy to get a gig at, paid gig at. You can play with all the local jazz musicians here, a lot of which are graduates of the college because people stick around in Cardiff because it's so great.
So with so many professional venues here at part of the college, you're going to be working with some of the leading jazz lights in the UK and beyond, and you're going to have direct access to those players through workshops and masterclasses during their stay. There's many great stars that have been here, but recently we've had Dennis Rollins, we've got Leanne Carroll coming up, and we just had Matthew Halsall. So as a jazz student on this course, there are going to be loads of opportunities for you to perform that are hard to find elsewhere.
So whilst being at the college, I've been in the big band for 3 years, which has been really amazing. We've gigged all around South Wales. And also I've done a lot of outreach at schools, performing to children as part of the teaching skills module. So AMSA Jazz is a weekly concert we do here to showcase the department. 2 bands each week get 30-minute set, and I help run that and present it. You can play whatever you want. The audience is very receptive and enjoy everything you throw at them. And it's always a sold-out full foyer, so it's a really good experience.
Cardiff attracts people from all over the world, so it's diverse culturally, and also it's one of the most affordable places to study here in the UK. So the jazz scene in Cardiff is small enough where you can have direct contact to the booking agents and promoters that will give you concerts, but it's large enough to have lots of opportunities. And that close-knit connection is really important and sets us apart as compared to most other conservatoires in larger cities. So the learning environment here is warm, supportive, and we really just want to help you become the musician and artist that you want to be. We look forward to welcoming you here to Cardiff.